Hello everybody, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to see if there is a difference between GPT 3.5 versus GPT 4.0 when it comes to writing articles, and are they able to be detected. So in this example, I'm asking GPT to write a short article about WooCommerce versus Shopify. And here is CopyLeak's AI content detection tool. It was able to detect this article written by GPT 3.5 with a 75% probability for AI content generation, and at contentdetector.ai, and I'll leave all the links down below. It was able to detect that this article is 73% AI generated, and at 0gpt.com it had a probability of 50% of being AI generated. So those results are from the GPT 3.5, and now I will copy and do the same for GPT 4 and see if there's any difference between GPT 3.5 versus 4. So for the copy leaks, 86% as AI content generated. Okay, now for contentdetector.ai, and surprisingly it found a probability of 95%. And now for the last one, 0gpt.com. Wow, I am very surprised. Once again, it is able to detect 100% AI generated. So if you have the question between GPT 4.0 and 3.5, 4 is maybe even worse than 3.5 when it comes to AI content detection tools like this. So these tools are able to easily detect AI content generation, so you got to be careful out there when you use GPT to generate content for your blog, website, or schoolwork, or whatever. Okay, thanks so much for viewing. I hope this helps. Be sure to subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials and reviews. Thanks again.